This week's market outlook, the 22nd of October 2023. This is my view on some market counters for the next 1 week. ZL. Soybean oil. The soybean oil market looks very weak. This dominance of consistent sell sentiment is likely to push the market price down further to the 50 level. Short positions should be maintained for maximum profit, but be prepared to close the position when the market returns to the 56 level. I see a gradual or staggered downtrend where holding short position will often be in a swing state. GC. December 2023 gold contract. The gold market bounced back after hovering around the 1930 level early last week. This surge shows the tremendous strength of buying interest. Looking at this price acceleration as well, it clearly shows the demand for gold is quite serious, and waiting for a move could cause traders to miss this uptrend opportunity. However, I don't think there will be much of a pullback given the strong buying sentiment. Last week's closing price of 1,994.40 is quite high, and I plan to buy around 1980. If the market makes a move this week, however, the long position still remains the best to follow the market trend. NQ. Nasdaq. Selling interest has started last week on the Nasdaq market. We will see continued selling pressure towards 14,350 this week. The rate of acceleration of this selling sentiment can result in a much lower fall distance. I think the buying sentiment is decreasing day by day. No signs of upward movement seen so far. KLCI. Bursa Malaysia Futures Market Composite Index. The purchasing power in the KLCI market has become weaker, although not showing a significant decline. In last week's choppy mode, sellers have started to dominate the market direction towards the 1410 level. However, I see the KLCI's movement becoming smaller and indicating that the market will slow down for a few more days. US dollar versus ringgit. The ringgit downtrend continued last week. I expect selling interest to slow down temporarily around the 4 ringgit 80 level before the market makes a new direction. This does not indicate that the downtrend of the ringgit has ended, but the rate of market acceleration is likely to occur at new levels. In addition, we in Malaysia will begin to experience the rate of increase in the price of all imported goods. WTI crude oil. I feel that the crude oil market will hold at the height of $88 and above until the end of this month. Therefore, the long position should be kept to follow the rising current. The movement is choppy and the long position should be closed when there is a chance of a drastic increase to see the next development of sentiment. Dollar Index. DX. The dollar index is still in an upward trend, even though it is still hovering around 106 points in the last 2 weeks. The strength of the dollar competes closely with the value of gold due to the 2 ongoing wars. Normally, looking at this sentiment, the interest in buying gold increases compared to holding the US currency in the long term, but it depends on which side wins the war. All major wars will have the impact of increasing the value of gold against other currencies or commodities. The dollar index is an index, or measure, of the value of the United States dollar against a group of major foreign currencies. FCPO crude palm oil. I prefer to comment daily based on the latest sentiment sources more accurately and quickly. The market sentiment changes every day and not based on past prices, but the latest actions by sellers and buyers pointing to the direction of the market. The FCPO market is moving in a swinging or choppy state because we have 3 trading sessions in addition to disproportionate movements with the depreciation of the ringgit. Therefore, we have to trade with a market that has a lot of intraday gaps. This causes us to have to prepare a large drawdown even if we do day trading transactions. However, I think the FCPO market still lacks a major direction as a whole. If the short position needs to be done, then wait for pullback or short on rally is the best action and not during a downward breakout. Vice versa. This sentiment needs to be known before taking a position, or you will definitely experience whipsaw, or another meaning of sell at low and buy at high. I will give an FCPO market review every day before 10 a.m. especially for day traders. Courtesy of HusinKristal. 7:20 a.m. Monday, the 23rd of October 2023.